Nebraska, Cass, Otoe, and Sarpy. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Otoe County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Cass County and southeastern Nebraska, until 5 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Abaca, or 29 miles east of Lincoln, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Abaca around 4:30 p.m. Nihaka around 4:45 p.m. Union around 4:50 p.m. Murray around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Camp Catron, Otoe, and Dunbar. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Cass, and Otoe.